We asked ChatGPT how we can make prime ice pop, and it actually gave us a response, so let's make some prime. The first thing they asked us to put in is some coconut water. That's around 1 cup, and then it asked us to put a 4th cup of honey in, and a quick teaspoon of salt. Don't look at me, subscribe. And now, some pineapple juice. And come the powders. Okay, we have a 4th teaspoon of potassium citrate. 4th teaspoon of magnesium citrate. Let's mix it up. This is ChatGPT's version of prime. Now, we've already tasted prime in a previous video, but let's see if they taste anything like ice pop. So that actually has a small resemblance to prime because of the coconut water, but it has a tangy taste because of the pineapple juice. So I think after having it, I'm gonna rate it an 8.5 out of 10.